What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to properly use Perplexity AI and demonstrate exactly what it can do to improve your workflow. I will leave a comprehensive guide covering all points in this video in the description below. First, head to Perplexity.ai, where you see the option to sign in or create an account if you haven't already. This option is available on the top right or bottom right of your screen. Log in with your Google account and your Perplexity account will be created automatically. Perplexity provides instant summaries of an article or web page, sharing the information most relevant to your search. It's perfect for quickly understanding the key points of lengthy documents or getting a concise overview of complex topics. You might be presented with some introductory information on how Perplexity works, their paid plan options, their mobile app, and example prompts. You can skip all of these and jump straight into using Perplexity. Here, you'll see the familiar dialog box where you can enter any prompt. Prompts that require some research are particularly effective when using Perplexity.ai. When clicking on Focus, you can set a focus for your sources, such as academic papers, computational knowledge through Wolfram Alpha, videos, or Reddit posts and responses. For now, I will leave this option set to all. You also have the option to attach images, text files, or PDF documents to your prompt, though the free plan may limit you to 3 attachments per day. Let's start with our first prompt. I want to research the best potential hotels for my next trip to Porto, so I'll search for the best apartment hotels that are close to the city center of Porto. Perplexity will quickly generate the response and cite its sources. In this example, I get access to a map of Porto with the listed hotels, their locations, reviews, prices, and more. Click on one of the examples to access the hotel's homepage. When clicking out of this interactive map, you can ask follow-up questions to your initial query or use any of the recommended prompts. Perplexity allows paid users to also generate images related to their prompt. Searching for videos is available to free users, and they should show reviews of these apartment hotels in my case. This tool will help you streamline your research process and make it much quicker. When clicking on the Discover tab on the top left, you'll see a list of recent news events that people have been researching. Click on a topic and read through this article-style page before asking any questions about it through Perplexity. Below, head to the library to quickly access your past threads, as they call it. These are all of your separate queries, and you can organize them into collections, which is a feature most AI tools lack. If you don't want your threads to be saved, or don't want others to see what you're researching, then you can use incognito mode. Click on your profile icon on the bottom left of your screen and select Incognito. Threads created in incognito mode will disappear after 24 hours and are marked by this person with a hat icon. Lastly, access your account settings by clicking on the gear icon under your profile picture. Here, you can change the theme from light to dark if you prefer. Choose a language, change your username, check your subscription if you're a paying user, or delete your account if needed. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.